desert roads to mountains high, the promise stands, it will not die. The land is marked, the path is clear. Your voice, O Lord, is all I hear.
Though giants stood and fear remained, your covenant has not been changed. You call me now to rise and see the inheritance you've given me.
I will walk into your promise, Lord,
every step by your command.
Past defeats will not define me.
I am held within your hand.
You are Alpha and Omega,
faithful through eternity.
I will trust you,
I will follow,
for you always care for me. Like Caleb stood with strength renewed,
a heart of fire, of faith pursued.
He did not bow to doubt or fear,
for he knew you were always near.
So I will ask,
I will believe,
for every blessing you will give.
Both the springs of earth and soul, in you I am made whole. I will ask and you will answer, Lord.
You are good in all you do.
You provide my every need,
Living water flowing through.
you're my comfort, my defender.
You are peace that makes me whole.
You are present, always with me, keeper of my heart and soul.
No past failure holds me bound.
In your grace, new hope is found.
You redeem what once was lost.
By your power and your cross,
You go before me.
make a way.
You are my strength for every day.
I will rise, I will proclaim
Victory in Jesus' name.
I will stand in full assurance, Lord.
You are sovereign, you are King.
Every promise you have spoken,
Life and hope to me you bring.
you're my provider and my refuge.
Ever watchful over me.
I am grateful, I am confident in your love.
I am free.
You are my Alpha, my Omega,
Beginning and the end.
my defender.
My strong tower.
On you I depend.
You are my peace in every storm. My comfort in the night.
Ever present, always faithful. You are my guiding light.
So I will possess the promise, Lord.
With a heart that trusts your way,
For the Most High God is with me.
watching over me each day.
I am assured
I am grateful,
in your care